In this evening's health report, we look at dental filling.
A dental filling is used to fill a cavity. This is a hole in your teeth caused by tooth decay or other damage such as a chipped tooth.
Fillings are important because once there is a breach in the integrity of the tooth surface, then we will actually need to fill that cavity so it doesn't deepen and hit the nerve, because if that happens, you need an extraction or root canal.
The aim is to alleviate discomfort and prevent the risk of severe infection. If a cavity remains untreated, it can lead to intense pain.
Now, there are different types of fillings. In the olden days, a lot of persons got these black silver fillings called amalgam. We don't do those fillings anymore, not because they're unsafe, just because disposing of the waste from an amalgam could pose an environmental issue. So Jamaica has taken the stance to have moved away from doing those silver fillings. So we do tooth-colored fillings now.
Typically, small fillings take about 20 to 30 minutes from start to finish to complete. However, if you have deeper cavities or multiple cavities, the procedure will take longer.
The procedure should not be painful at all. Now, if you present to the dentist with a cavity that's very deep, very close to the nerve, sometimes after doing a filling, the nerve may take a little time to settle down, and there may be a little post-operative discomfort that we would expect to go away in a day, maybe two.
A reminder to brush and floss at least twice a day. Avoid eating too many sweets and see your dentist regularly for checkups. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.